Can I use your computer for a moment? Please repeat. Can I use your computer for a moment? Look our new house across the street. Look our new house across the street. The cat is licking its paws. The cat is licking its paws. Put your book on the shelf. Put your book on the shelf. Is this your car or mine? Is this your car or mine? The children are playing with their friends. The children are playing with their friends. Please lend me your pen. Please repeat. Please lend me your pen. John left his key in the car. John left his key in the car. Let's have dinner at a favorite restaurant. Let's have dinner at a favorite restaurant. I can't find my wallet. Have you seen it? I can't find my wallet. Have you seen it? Whose idea was it to watch the movie? Whose idea was it to watch the movie? Our cat is sleeping on the couch. Our cat is sleeping on the couch. Sarah is looking for a phone. Sarah is looking for a phone. We enjoy our day at the beach. We enjoy our day at the beach. Pass me your sunglasses, please. Please repeat. Pass me your sunglasses, please. The dog is wagging its tail happily. The dog is wagging its tail happily. Whose shoes are these? They are our shoes. Whose shoes are these? They are our shoes. The students are discussing their project. The students are discussing their project. Give me the remote control. Give me the remote control. I can't find my keys. Have you seen them? I can't find my keys. Have you seen them? Let's go to our favorite restaurant tonight. Let's go to our favorite restaurant tonight. Can you pass me your notebook? Please repeat it. Can you pass me your notebook? Whose idea was it to visit our friends? Whose idea was it to visit our friends? Look at her new watch on her wrist. Look at her new watch on her wrist. Is this your umbrella or mine? Is this your umbrella or mine?